nila at hindi nakita yung lugar ng MacArthur bago po ginawa yung suggestion doon sa road widening. Dapat po ang sa amin sana, yung mga tiga rito ay natanong at tinignan kung gaano marami yung mga subdivision na nakatalatag mismo on both sides of MacArthur Highway. Halos bawat kanto po. Nagtatagalog po ako dahil napakarami po nakikinig dito na para po maintindihan na lahat. Bawat halos kanto po ay exit at entrance po ng mga housing communities. Represented here we have on the average at maraming darami pa. At most we have now 100 subdivisions. Now, ang sa amin po ay real progress does not harm either man or environment. We can plan progress but without harming what is available to us. Ang sa amin po ngayon dito sa MacArthur Highway ay hindi na kailangan igaya po naman sana sa napakabilis na mga lanes ng mga ating residents ng ating endless. Pwede pong magdalo yung traffic. Kumuha kami ng video clips at different hours of the day. In the morning, at rush hour, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and up to about 4 o'clock. None of those are perceived. We say perceived traffic because of non-compliance with proper traffic rules and regulations. At sa aming pagpagtas, sa aming pagpapaybay sa matapang pagbabantay, we solve the threat, not because of the trees, threat because we do not provide for the ordinary motorists. How? We have a present 4 lanes now. We have very fast vehicles with the trailers, with the trucks, and with the private commuters. However, in between that, we have tricycle drivers, we have bicycle riders, we have motorists, dahil yan po ang nauuso. Sa kasalukuyang kalakaran ng panahon, our citizens are being encouraged to use public transport, carpooling, to use bicycles. Now, I think in tandem with that, our national government is also it's also the responsibility to provide for these ordinary people, which are more. Who I say, these are the very people who work in our industrial parks. These are the people who provide the daily subsistence and who provide manpower to our factories and to our many establishments that give the very tasks and jobs that generate income not only for our country but for our export industries. Therefore, our win-win solution here is we are for the road rehabilitation, which is an entirely different thing from what we saw. And I cannot call it any other way than massacre. Dahil po ako talaga naiiyak nung nakita ko yung mga pumunta ko. Sana po i-retain ang mga ito. Pag i-retain po yan, meron tayong mga fast lane para sa mga mabibilis na sasakyan. At outside the acacia trees, magkakaroon po tayo, ikulay natin yung mga jeepney na siyang nag-focus po ng traffic. Ihiwalay yung mga tricycle na walang karaka-raka. Nandun sila, biglang papagina mag-stay in and out. At hindi na po kailangan mag-counterflow nung mga nagmomotor at nagbibisikleta para makita lamang yung kasalubong nila. Yung mga araw-araw na nag-aaral, mga araw-araw na nagtatrabaho nag-aaral ng jeepney, paano po sila kung ilalapot pa yan at ibilisan pa, sana po sila mag-aaral, saan na yung mga jeepney. So, if we retain that, we can even be proud. Travel to Pampanga, come to Pampanga, experience something ultra-modern, go to our estates, visit the finest of our beach resorts, but travel